Hello all. If you own a Trailblazer from 2021 and up, you probably are encountering this issue, or should I say, bad design. This weather strip, just poorly designed. It's really held by some small clips here, right there, and actually I somehow lost one right there. But you know, there's not really any better thing to do here. You could buy a new weather strip. I think they go by $7 or more. So not that expensive really, but I think there is a better solution and much more permanent than that, and that's what this video is for. So I will show you what I did with the other side. This is my other side, which I actually put some black silicone, specifically from JB Well. It's an RTV silicone and sealant. So actually right now, I'm pulling pretty hard on this. It's not really coming off. And as you can see, it's actually pretty well pushed up. It does not move. And it's worked out pretty well so far. So let's do that in the other one. All right, so what we're gonna do first is basically clean out, this area in here, the metal part, with alcohol, just to have a clean surface so the adhesive, can stick on. All right, now it's been cleaned, I would say pretty well, in here as well. Let's see. I actually kind of did 3 lines there, as you can see. So the purpose of that is once we put the silicone, we're gonna put some tape around here, wrap it and hold it. These 3 tapes. And just to show you here, this is a JB Well black silicone that I used on the other one, and I'm about to use on this one. All right, so this is how we're gonna be putting the black silicone in there. Kind of hard to do one hand, but let's see. That kind of level of silicone is probably fine for the rest of the weather strips, so let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so here I just finished applying that silicone throughout that little seam. Now I'm gonna go ahead and basically just pop it up there, and try to clean any excess that comes out and hold it down with tape. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so here we go. This is kind of the final step. I put that masking blue tape around and those back lines that I clear out all the way up here, and basically this is bending. You can still see some silicone coming out there, but that's something that you can still kind of scrape off afterwards. Here we'll see that it says that it dries and sets in 1 hour, but I will leave it about just one night, overnight, take these off. And just to point out, you only need actually only one of these for both sides. So this is the one that I used on the other side and this side. It was more than enough. There's still some here. I bought this off of Amazon, about $7. You could also find them in Ace Hardware, about the same price as well. So yeah, this is how you do it. All right, well, final thing, you could close your door slowly. That way your car battery doesn't die. Yeah, and you're good to go.